Please remain standing for the national anthem, to be led by Marquis Victor, the grade 4 learner.
Batang Kabataan Award, Good Motor Award, Honest Award, Little Teacher Award, Battle of the Best in Aral Palipunan, Battle of the Best in Filipino, Spelling Bee Champion, Best in Mathematics, Best in Math, Francisco Zoe Natalie, with honors. Hugh Athena Luis Ed, with honors. Peter Award, Golden Award.
Last but not least, Francisco Taylor Eager River Award, Team Player Award, Peacemaker Award, Peace Degree Award, Golden Heart Award, Little Teacher Award, Tenacious Striker Award, Burgess Skill Award, Spelling Bee Champion, Science Quiz Bee Champion, Battle of the Best in Araling Panlipunan Champion, Battle of the Best in Filipino Champion, Best in ESP, Best in Science, Best in MAPEC, Best in English, Best in Araling Panlipunan, Best in Filipino, and of course, with our honors. Congratulations, everyone.
Award daw si tatay. Award.
Hindi, ikaw pa kaya kayo, pinicturean kayo.
Daming medal ni tatay, oh.